Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel. In this video I'll tell you top 5 free SQL practice websites which will be totally free. You don't have to pay anything for that. In the last of this video I'll tell you one bonus website name which I use on the daily basis for my practice. So let's start the video. The first website is SQL Ju. This website is one of the best platform for beginners. If you are just starting SQL Ju teaches concepts step by step while also giving you the practice questions. Like you can practice questions just after learning any new concept. You can learn topics like select, where, group by, join, having and nested queries. The best part is that after every topic you get practice questions instantly right there. You can write your SQL query directly on the website and immediately check the output of that query. So if you are completely new to SQL Ju is very good starting point. Let me show you the website of SQL Ju. The SQL website Ju looks like this. From here first you have to choose the what database you are using, database management tool you are using like MySQL, Sage, PostgreSQL or Microsoft SQL or the Oracle. I am using MySQL, so I selected MySQL here. From here you can use the chapters like select basics, select from the world. Inside the select statement you will learn everything. Don't think that you will always have the select. Like let me show you one thing. Here in the select I have used the where, like I'm using filtering here, okay, and inside that let me show you the point 2. Here I've used in, okay, a lot of things like between. This is how you will, if you'll go to another chapter you will learn new things in the SQL, and some other topics are also there. I mean the chapters are like sum, join and the more join, using null, self join. All the concept has been taught here. The second website is HackerRank. This is one of the most popular website for interview preparation. Here you will find easy SQL level question, medium level question and advanced level interview problems. The platform also gives you a coding environment where you can also solve queries directly in the browser. You will also find many real interviewer style questions like how to find the second highest salary, how to find the third highest salary, and employee ranking and joint problems, also aggregate problems. Another good thing is that HackerRank gives you scores and badges which you can use in your LinkedIn profile to show that, and it also motivate you to practice more regularly. If your goal is SQL interview preparation, definitely use HackerRank. Let me show you the website how it looks like. This is the HackerRank website. From here you can also certify yourself, like go to the certify tab and here choose the SQL. Let me show you where is the SQL. So this is the SQL. This is the free, like if you have learned your SQL basics you can go to the SQL basics and from there give test and get the certificate which you can use your LinkedIn profile or your Naukri profile, okay. And also SQL intermediate, SQL advanced, like give the test and get the certificate which will be totally free, and it really gives a value to your profile. The third website is LeetCode. Most people know LeetCode for coding interview preparation, but this SQL section is also very powerful. You can practice common level SQL questions and ask in companies like the question which was asked in the company like Amazon, Google, Microsoft and Meta. The questions are more focused on logical thinking and problem solving. You will also learn advanced concepts like window functions, complex joins, subqueries and even cities. If you want to become strong in SQL for data analytics or SQL developer roles, LeetCode is highly recommended. This is the website how it will look like, so that you don't go to the different website, okay. This is the LeetCode website. From here you can explore products. These are the things, okay. The fourth website is W3 Schools. This website is perfect for quick SQL practice. You don't need to install any software, just go to the website and start learning and practicing. You can simply open the website, write SQL queries and run them instantly. It is especially useful for beginners who want to practice SQL syntax quickly. You can test commands like select, order by, group by, insert, update and delete. The interface is very simple and very beginner friendly, like even a kid can use it very smoothly. So if you want fast and easy SQL practice, this website is very useful. Believe me, this website is a gem in the internet. So let me show you the website. Go to the W3 School. This will be the website. The website looks like this. Then go to the MySQL. Here you can learn anything. Here you can see in the left side you will have the chapters or you will have the contents. So like I want to learn insert, how to insert. So this is a MySQL insert where it will first teach you what is insert and you can also practice it, okay. Here you can see this is one of the best website which I have used a lot. This is the exercise. Just after learning you will have some questions to practice it. So this is how you can learn here, okay. So let's move on the next website. The fifth website is Strata Scratch, and honestly this is one of the best website for real world SQL interview questions. The platform provides actual interview questions asked in top companies. It is especially used for data analysis, business analytics, and data scientists. You will find advanced SQL problems based on real business scenarios. Okay, the best part is that you can also view solutions and learn different approaches to solve the same problem. This is how you will learn multiple concept if you will solve a single question with the multiple ways. Okay, if you already know basic SQL and want to move to the next level, definitely try this Strata Scratch. Let me show you the website how it looks like. This is the official website of Strata Scratch. From here you can learn things. Okay, now the bonus website is Learn SQL Online. This is one of the best website I have ever used to learn and the practice, not to learn, to rather I would say to practice SQL. Let me show you the website. This is the official website. This is the name of the sqlpractice.com. Just write it on your search bar of your browser and it will redirect you to this website. Okay, from here you can learn really real best concept. This website mostly for my learning. Like from here view all questions, you can see all the questions you have. Okay, from here you can also select the keywords. Basically you can filter the questions based on your requirement, based on your learning, and from here you can start. This is the filter to a easy, medium, and hard level. Basically the difficulty level filter it is, and from here you can also choose the different databases. Right now I'm using the hospital database, but I want different database, so from here you can use the Northwind database. Okay, so believe me, this is really a good website. That's why I added it in my bonus tip. Okay, so I hope that you would have understand what are the websites to learn and practice SQL free. So if you have any doubt or something, please let me know in the comment section. For watching this video till this point, I am really grateful. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.